To help critical business keeps running, Chinov Display has been developing a series of acrylic counter shield to protect the health and safety of our clients. This acrylic shield is made from high clear acrylic. With a dimension of 78.5 cm wide and 61 cm tall, it can fix the size of most of the counters. With the protection of the counter shield, both your employee and clients will be free from worried about being infected by the coronavirus through droplets, coughs or talks. Chinov has prepared enough stock of this COVID-24 for instant delivery worldwide. Please visit our online store to place orders conveniently. Thank you.